Hello friends, today we are going to look at the vegetables that are important for everyone's health. Do you know the names of vegetables in Tamil? Today we are going to learn the names of vegetables in Tamil. Tomato. Tomato means takkali. Brinjal. Brinjal means kattirikai. Cauliflower. Cauliflower means pukose. Drumstick. Drumstick means murangaikai. Bittergood. Bittergood means pagarkai. Carrot. Carrot means kurukkiranga. Onion. Onion means vengayam. Green peas. Green peas means pachi patani. Radish. Radish means mullangi. Potato. Potato means uralai kilanga. Ridgegood. Ridgegood means pirkangai. Cabbage. Cabbage means muttaikos. Capsicum. Capsicum means kudai milagai. Bottle gourd. Bottle gourd means suraikai. Okra. Okra means vendaikai. Chili. Chili means milagai. Cucumber. Cucumber means vellarikai. Friends, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.